vintage tutorial. You need a surface or tile because you can't do it in midair. A vintage child bracelet, rejected ice pick, or a toothbrush I found by the toilet. Barbie's knockoff broom, a guillotine, and the missing piece of a drill car. Oh yeah, and some bulldog slobber. And some mysterious liquid. Lastly, some squishy stuff. Let's create! First, you'll want to flatten the squishy stuff. Then, use your vintage child bracelet and make a non-square shape. You see that? Now make 3 in total. Then combine these two to make a peanut butter color. Also flatten and make 2 non-squares. Now stack them up like pancakes, alternating color starting with the dark brown. Doesn't that look like a yummy double-decker Oreo cookie? Mmm! Slice in half. Whoops! Technical difficulties is allowed, you know. Now keep slicing for more slices of the slice. Now let's play deranged tic-tac-toe. Then gently scratch in circles. Like this. No, not you. It's a sponge cake! And now you wrap it like a burrito. But no, not really. Just the top and the side, which is nothing like a burrito actually. Take some of your dark brown squishy stuff and make a concoction with the weird liquid. Oh look, so beautifully iced. Now squish it, mix it, twist it, bop it. Oh. Yay, we made fake frosting. Now smear it on top and back side of the cake slice. This can get tricky. Nom nom nom! Put more weird liquid to the light brown clay, but don't make frosting. We just need it to be soft. Squish it through the cone head churro making thing. Twist it slightly and BAM! Cake icing. Then you bake it per package instructions. After baking, you want to smear dog slobber to make it look shiny, but only add it to the top and back. Most importantly, be creative and have fun creating your own decor. And be your own fake cake boss. It's a thing! Thank you for watching. Did I do this right?